Hi people, well, you've seen the last video which had the actual trading system. Okay, this is going to be connected to the MTX trend. Okay, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a demonstration of how we're going to do this. We're just going to go through this and give you an idea. So as always, okay, I'm going to show you the installation process just in case you haven't looked at the last video. So the installation process is open your MT4. Okay, you want to click on File, Open Data Folder, which is this one here, and then you want to make sure that you paste in, copy your templates, copy and paste into your templates. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you a video. It's going to show you exactly how to do this. Make sure you put your expert advisor in here, and obviously make sure you put your indicator in, and then obviously it tells you to restart MT4, but I'm going to show you a little trick which you can do which works quite successfully. So the trading modes, the system provides 3 different trading styles, okay, templates depending on your expectations, risk appetite and experience in trading. There is MTX scalping. It's categorized as the fastest signals as well as the largest potential profit with increased risks. If you're familiar with scalping and catching the quick market movements, you should choose this trading mode. Scalping mode is recommended for advanced traders. Okay, I'm not obviously a financial advisor. I'm just giving you the information which is available with inside Darren's Trading Academy. Well done to you, by the way, for joining. This is just a tip of what I'm going to be showing you. So the MTX day trading, this is the most universal mode, providing the most balanced signals. It provides stable signals with limited risk. The mode is recommended for beginners as well as experienced traders. Personally, I like doing day trading. I think you've got more chance of making more pips. It really depends on your, like you'll say, your actual trading appetite. The MTX is swing trade. This provides the most secure signals with less profit potential at the same time. Pick this mode if you want to spend the minimum amount of time in front of a computer. This mode is recommended for every type of trader. So the system is ready for trading. So you're hoping to see something like this that's going to be on side your screen. Okay, note the trade system, which we've already gone through, because you can use the system as a standalone. You don't necessarily have to have it within inside this module. Okay, however, you want to make sure that you put all 3 together because it's going to be working a lot better. So the system overview. So your system contains 2 main indicators and 1 expert advisor, 1 entry exit indicator, okay, with 2 trend filters and 3 which is your trading assistant, which is this, and then it's giving you an up or down notion to get into the trade. So how does this work? Entry examples, sell trade, wait for a red signal on the chart, okay, which is here. When it appears, 1, check if it's in line with the market trend, which is telling you it's down, so it's the market trend. So when I showed you the 200 EMA, which is the moving average, this has done it for you. It's all included, and it's also giving you a percentage as well as how much it's going to come down. So if both agree, it's a valid signal. How does this work? Entry examples for buy trade, wait for a blue signal. Okay, so this is going to give you a blue dot, and this is showing you the signal. When it appears, check if it's in line with the market trend. If both agree, then this is a valid signal. Okay, so you can see that this one here is showing you up motion. So this is showing you that it is in a buy or a bullish point. How does this work? Well, the exit rules: default, wait for an opposite signal. Other exit techniques use risk to reward ratios, support and resistance levels, and round numbers. So we'll just go over this. Okay, so you can see, okay, that this is a buy-in trade. So if you got into this buy-in trade, you would wait, okay, until it gets to red, which means it's now a sell trade. This is when you would close this trade. If you get into the sell trade, you come down, all right, and you wait till it gets into a blue trade. Okay, so this is when you will close this trade. This means that it's going to go up. Okay, so these are just key things to benefit from and understand. Same here. This one's a buy-in trade. Okay, so if you got in at the buy-in trade, you wait until it gets to a red trade. Okay, which means that it's now showing you that it's going to go down. This is when you would close your buy-in, okay, or up. So if you get in down, you close when you get to up. Okay, so it's very, very simple. So it's very quite easy to use. It's a lovely little trading kit, if you like, which is just going to show you lots and lots of things here. And hopefully, you know, you're going to enjoy this as much as I do. Now, I brought this so you didn't have to, okay? That's the very reason why I do this, because, you know, I make sure that I've got license rights to be able to give you this information without getting into trouble, okay? And I've actually approached these people, made sure that it's perfectly okay for me to do this. They're happy for me to do this. That's great, okay? So I just want to show you this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how to set this up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab, let's use USD JPY, and we're going to just go through the whole process. This is almost like it's a bit like housekeeping, really. I just like to do this. Click OK, right mouse click, grid, okay, and then we're just going to move this over like so. Okay, so we've done that. I'm going to set this at a 15-minute window, all right, or even a 1 hour window, because this I like to do 1 hour to day trading, okay, to get maximum results, if you like. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the MTX trend. Now you will be receiving, okay, this, which will be in a zipped format. All you need to do is double click on it. It's going to ask you where you want to just hit the extract button, extract it, make sure it's somewhere you can find it. It's going to open up in a file like so. We're going to click on here. And then we are going to add in our expert advisor, our indicators, and our templates. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is the expert advisor. Click on here. We're going to right mouse click. We're going to copy this. We're going to go back. We're going to go to file. We're going to go to open data folder. And we're going to go to MQL4, go to expert advisors. We're going to right mouse click and we're going to paste this in. Okay, you can see that this is already there already. Okay, so I don't need to worry too much about that. I've already done that. Then you're going to close this off. You're then going to move this over there. You're then going to go to your expert advisor. If it doesn't come up, all right, what you need to do is right mouse click and hit refresh. Then scroll back down. And you'll see that this is the trader system, so this is all in place, so the expert advisor is in place. Next thing you're going to need to do is go back to experts, go back, go to indicators, grab all the indicators like so, okay, right mouse click, copy, then you're going to go close this window down. You're then going to go back to files. You're going to go to open data folder. You're going to go to MQL4 and you're going to go to indicators. You're going to right mouse click and you're going to paste them in. And you'll see that all these have now been added in. And then you're going to close. Okay, so you've done that. You're then going to go back to indicators. You're going to go back. You're going to go to templates. You're going to grab all the templates. Very important, you're going to need these. Copy, okay. Bear in mind that each template, so if you want to swing trade, you use a swing template. If you scalp, be 5 to 15-minute window, you want to make sure you use a scalping template. And if you day trading anywhere from 1 hour to 1 day, all right, you want to click on the day trading template, okay. All will be revealed, so don't panic too much. So we've copied these. So what we're going to do now is we're going to close this down. We're going to go back to file. We're going to go to open data folder. We're going to go to templates. We're going to right mouse click and we're going to paste this in. And you can see that these are now added in. And now what we need to do now, okay, is we're going to add in a template. Now this is very simple. The first thing you want to do is add in your trader system bot. So I'm going to go across here and drag this across. And this is going to allow you to set this up. Remember to change your ID, okay, to something which is another 4-digit or 8-digit. Needs to be 8 digits, okay. Line type, which you can set up as buy or sell. You just click on here, put sell or buy. You know, again, make sure you test this out yourself. Go to common. Make sure you enable alerts if you want to. Allow Dell inputs. About, this is going to give you a little bit of rundown what it's all about, and then you're going to hit OK. You notice that the bot is in the corner, okay? And you notice that what you've done now is you've set up your trade assistant. Okay, now what you need to do is set up a template. So we're going to right mouse click, we're going to go to template, and we're going to load in. I'm going to use the MTX day trading plate, and you see as soon as I click on this, you can see now that it's starting to show me symbols with USD JPY for 1 hour time frame. Okay, and you can see that going down, okay, this trade going down is 89% is going to go up. All right, so it's showing you 11% down, 89% up. Now remember, the markets are closed, and then basically you can set this up for live trade, and it will start to live trade and do this automatically. All right, so you know now how to set this up. I've given you the information that you require. It's up to you to do your own due diligence. Make sure that you do a test on a demo account first before you put this on the live account. Once you find a template that works really, really well with inside this system, what you want to do is, once you set it up, right mouse click, you want to go to Expert Advisors, you want to go to Properties, okay, and say you found a system that works really, really well, and you think, wow, this is fantastic, I'm really doing really well, and you can see there's lots and lots of stuff here that you can do here. It is really great little gadget, this. It's got so much on here, so you can play with this to your heart's content, test it until you find a working strategy that works. You then want to hit save, and then you'll be able to save this file, and all you need to do is basically put in here, okay, get rid of the star, and then what you would do is you would put just give me 5 seconds, close that off. Template MTX, okay, that's what I'm looking for. So what you want to do is you want to put MTX, so you know what it is. You also want to put day, because if you're running it on a day trading, so you know what that is. And then you also want to make sure that if it's USD JPY, that this is running on USD JPY, okay, with a 1. Well, I've already done that, okay, and then you just hit save. And then what this will do is, when you need to require this, okay, say you have a problem with your computer or something like that, then you need to do is, if you go back to your bot, right mouse click, go to Expert Advisors, go to Properties, click on Load, you can see that you can add in, okay, your actual bot. Okay, so with this one, it's MTX Day Trading USD JPY. You know that this is the MTX Expert Advisor that you're using, and then hit open, and it will load in, including your number, okay, and everything that you've put on there, and you just hit OK, and then this is set up now. You see that smiley bot? That's showing you that it's set up. Now there is just one key thing to make sure that you do, to make sure it works. You need to go to Tools, you need to go to Options, you need to go to Expert Advisors, and you need to make sure that Allow Automated Trading is enabled. Okay, and now click OK. And what this will do is this will allow the server to collect information. Remember that this actually grabs news and data as well while you're trading. Okay, and that's it. That's basically all you need to do. So hopefully this is going to help you. This is a great little trade assistant. This one here, MTX Trend Pro, with time frames 5 minute, 15 and 30 minute and day trading mode. Okay, so if we put this into the 30 minute, you'll see that it's 5, 15 and then 30. Every time you change the trade, remember that your bot information may go to default, okay, or your trade assistant will go to default wherever you set this at. So just bear that in mind, all right, because if we click on settings, and you'll see here, apply settings to current orders and positions, you can see that you can do this trade, close, and it gives you what you want to close it down by. It's just an incredible little bit of kit, this. Okay, and then just, that's it. and it's up and running. Okay, that's it. That's the end of this. So you now know how to set up your MTX Trend Pro. Wish you all the best. Look out for my next video. Cheers. Bye now.